Click on Grab Now button underneath the Grab Group Members section. A new window pops up, and here click on Start Grabbing button in the second option you see. Choose a group and click Select. Basically, you are going to scrap group numbers of all members in this group. After the file save in your desktop, open it and you will see the numbers of all group members that are in the group. Now go back and proceed to second process. Click on Start Now button under the WhatsApp number filter section, and here upload the same Excel sheet that you have just saved into your computer. And as you can see all of the numbers here, and at the right hand side there is delay settings. And I recommend to use the same delay settings as you can see on the screen right now. Click on Start button after that and wait for the process until it reach at the 100%. After it reached 100%, it will now give you an option to save the file. Save the file and open it, and there you can see the validation check report regarding all of the input numbers. It's just amazing, right? Go to our website by clicking the link down below in the description, and scroll through our website and explore what our software is capable of. Scroll all the way down until you see our packages. You can get the basic package in $9.99 for 7 days. Or you can grab the Pro plan in just $49.99 for the lifetime. Meaning that you just need to spend one time and get our software for rest of your life. Isn't it just amazingly cheap? Like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos.